Welcome to Lixcel. This video demonstrates how to import data from external systems into our apps. We start with an app that displays data imported from a QuickBooks accounting system, including invoices and payments. To retrieve the latest data from QuickBooks, we use the External Data Source Refresh option, which replaces the app's cache data with the most up-to-date information. Setting up an external integration involves 3 steps. In the Application Designer, under External Integrations, we first configure the connection to the external system. As described in the help information, we obtain a client ID and client secret from the QuickBooks administration site. These values are encrypted and securely stored within the app. Once configured, we verify that the connection is successful. Next, we create data adapters for the source entities we want to import. Select the properties to retrieve, and optionally preview the data. Finally, we map the source properties to the corresponding list fields in our app. During this step, we can automatically create the required fields and even transform source values at import time using built-in system functions, such as converting external user names to local user IDs, or creating and applying custom JavaScript functions stored within the app. Some integrations may require you to sign in again to reconnect. Let's repeat the process for a product issues app that imports data from Jira, a platform widely used for project tracking and customer support issue management. We begin by creating a Jira connection and providing the required credentials, such as an API key or OAuth parameters, depending on how the Jira account is configured. Next, we create adapters for the entity types we want to import. Select the target project and choose the properties to retrieve. In the data preview, notice that users are returned as first and last names. When mapping the external data to the application's lists and fields, we apply a conversion function to the user name fields. This function matches the imported names with users already defined in the app and creates the appropriate internal user references automatically. This demonstration focuses on one-way data import, where initial data is brought into a Lixcel app and managed there afterward. But what if we want to use Lixcel to create new data while working offline? One approach is to maintain 2 apps based on the same template, one that always reflects the latest data from the external system, and another where new or updated information is entered. Using the platform's data copy functionality, selected items can be copied from one app to another, provided both apps share the same template. The changes made in the second app can then be transferred manually to the external system. As shown in other videos, once external data is imported into a Lixcel app, all of the platform's standard data analysis features become available, including AI-powered queries. The Lixcel team is continuously expanding the platform's integration capabilities by adding support for more external data sources. In addition, every Lixcel app can securely expose its list data through a REST API, enabling seamless integration with your own applications, automation platforms, and third-party services. Looking ahead, Lixcel will also provide a secure MCP server, allowing AI agents to safely discover and interact with your app data, opening the door to a new generation of AI-powered business automation. Thank you for watching. To learn more about the platform, visit lixcel.com/help or drop us an email at support@lixcel.com.